Imagine this: you have accepted the role of Chief Sales Officer. Monday morning, you enter the boardroom. Around the table sit the CEO, the CFO, the CTO, the CMO, the board. The CEO smiles and says, "Welcome, we need to grow." That's all. Three words. We need to grow. Most executives nod confidently. I wouldn't. Because grow isn't a strategy. It isn't even a diagnosis. It's an ambition. Before discussing revenue, before discussing pipeline, before even discussing salespeople, I would ask one question: what exactly are we trying to build? The CEO statement sounds simple, but it isn't. Growth can mean growing the revenue, growing the market share, or it can even mean growing profitability, the valuation, maybe going international, or growing the capability of the salespeople. Those are six completely different businesses. Yet many companies use one single word, growth, and expect one executive to interpret it correctly. This is the very reason commercial strategies fail. Imagine two companies, both want 30% growth. A company A hires 100 more salespeople, and on the other side, the company B redesigns its customer strategy. Both are pursuing growth. Only one is solving the real problem. Growth isn't the strategy, growth is the outcome. So every CSO should answer four questions before writing a commercial strategy, not after, but before. The question one is, what business are we really in? Not what products do we sell. It is instead, what transformation do customers buy? A cybersecurity company doesn't sell software, it sells trust. A hospital doesn't sell surgery, it sells confidence and quality of life. A cloud company doesn't sell servers, it sells speed and flexibility. Products change, customer outcomes endure. The question two is, what business problem has this CEO actually hired me to solve? Is it revenue, the profitability, international expansion, capability, transformation, or market leadership? A CSO cannot optimize everything at the same point of time. Every strategy starts with one dominant business problem. The question three is really important. The question three is, what stage is the business in? Every organization moves through the following stages: build, grow, scale, defend, and transform. Each stage requires different kind of leadership, different KPIs, different investments, different organizational design. The title CSO stays the same, the job changes completely. Next, we move on to the question four: where will the next phase of growth come from? Is it the existing customers, new industries, new geographies, or will we achieve the growth through pricing, partnerships, acquisitions, or even AI? Every answer creates a different commercial strategy. Now imagine answering these four questions. Suddenly, everything becomes clearer: the hiring, territories, pricing, channels, technology, sales enablement, forecasting. None of these comes first. They are consequences of the first four decisions. Let me explain it through a case study. Let's imagine a profitable founder led SaaS company. It has global customers, excellent products, strong engineering background, but the growth has slowed. The board hires a new CSO. Most people expect a 100-day sales plan. Instead, the CSO spends the first month answering just four questions. The board becomes impatient. 3 months later, the strategy is approved. So instead of hiring 150 salespeople, the company redesigns customer segmentation, changes its GTM model, and doubles the investment in customer success. Revenue accelerate, not because they worked harder, because they solved the right problem. So the management view is commercial strategy doesn't begin with sales. It begins with diagnosis. Before every important commercial decision, ask yourself, do I understand the business well enough to make this decision? If the answer is no, don't build a strategy. Build understanding first. I'll leave you with this thought: the quality of your commercial strategy will never exceed the quality of your business diagnosis. In the next session, we will move from understanding the business to understanding the customer, because every commercial strategy ultimately succeeds or fails in the mind of the customer.